After a 40-year career as a veterinarian and meeting pet parents from all walks of life, I've come to realize that almost all of us have that one pet that changed it all. The one pet that gave you an aha moment. The best testimonials for holistic pet care are those pets that make remarkable changes when we upgrade their diet and minimize medications and toxic chemicals. Instead, utilizing whole food nutrition and natural healing therapies. As most of you know, I started my career as a traditional veterinarian. It wasn't until I accidentally signed up for a chiropractic class that things started to shift. I wasn't interested in learning alternative therapies, but after completing that course, I figured I might as well try out the new skill I had learned. One of my first chiropractic clients was a Down German Shepherd. After the adjustment, he was able to run out of the clinic, shocking both the owner and me. That was when I began to take a good hard look at what I had been taught in veterinary school. I started looking at the ingredients of the prescription diets that I was selling. It became obvious to me that much of what I had learned was flawed, and I owed it to my patients to pursue further holistic education. When I began my traditional Chinese veterinary medicine, tcvm, education, and applied it to my patients, one by one, they all transformed. Pets on the verge of death were able to heal and make a full recovery. I began treating the root cause of illnesses rather than the symptoms, and I saw how much it positively benefited all of my patients. Once I started figuring out how to best help pets and their parents, I wanted to tell everyone who would listen about what I had learned. I wanted them to know how to give their pets a vibrant life too, which led me to founding my platform, Naturally Healthy Pets. In 2023, I hosted a few small Naturally Healthy Pets experiences, so fellow pet lovers could join together to learn more about holistic pet care. They were great, but I knew it was just the beginning and we could do something even better. Stay tuned where I'll tell you how the International Naturally Healthy Pets experience by All Provide came together to be our best event ever. We had to find an amazing location, and sunny Florida had exactly what we needed. Next, I knew the keynote speakers had to be the best of the best. Professionals that were highly educated, but also down to earth and able to connect with an eclectic group of pet lovers. Advanced degrees were not the only consideration. I wanted to be sure anyone that attended this event in 2024 would enjoy learning from the professionals I chose to represent the International Naturally Healthy Pets experience. Right around the time we were choosing the speaker lineup, I had a podcast recording scheduled with Dr. Peter Tobias. While he is one of the most well-known holistic veterinarians in the world, he acted shocked and asked, "Are you sure people would want to hear from me?" I replied, "Absolutely!" So he agreed to fly to the United States to lecture at the experience for the first time ever. What an unforgettable way to kick us off. With Dr. Tobias on the roster, I knew we were on to something big. My team started contacting other professionals that I admire to see if we really could pull it together. Dr. Connor Brady, everyone's favorite dog dad, science nerd, and truth-seeking author from Ireland, agreed. Dr. Nick Thompson, world-renowned holistic veterinarian from the UK, said he would love to be a speaker. Dr. Barbara Royal, integrative veterinarian, author, researcher, and founder of the Royal Treatment Veterinary Centers and Animal Diet Formulator, she was in too. It was all falling into place. But I knew any educational event pertaining to holistic pet health had to include Drs. Karen and Steve Marsden. They are perfect examples of how true experts can take complex medical concepts and make them easy for everyone to understand. This great mix of expertise and common sense makes them some of my personal favorites to learn from. After reflecting on our list, it was almost complete, but it was missing one key piece. We needed an expert from Australia. Australia is the birthplace of the biologically appropriate raw food or BARF diet thanks to Dr. Ian Billinghurst. And the barf diet was actually my first introduction to species-appropriate pet food. There are a few holistic veterinarians making waves in Australia that I truly admire. But Dr. Barbara Fougère's advanced education in botanical and herbal medicine made her a clear choice. This will be the first time one of her incredible lectures will be available to pet parents in the US. A hidden treasure that is now a truly unique opportunity. I'm sure you're just as excited to learn from these experts as I am. Hang tight, I'll show you how to save money and join the International Naturally Healthy Pets Experience by All Provide from anywhere in the world. Never before has this incredible speaker lineup been together in one place. So I wanted a full year to plan the experience to ensure it is spectacular for every attendee. The International Naturally Healthy Pets Experience by All Provide is bringing together the best holistic pet care experts from across the globe. Listen up, because I am about to tell you how to get your very own in-person or virtual ticket at a discount. I can't stand to see veterinarians continuously recommending poor quality, ultra-processed feed, toxic chemicals, and medications with a long list of side effects, while pet lovers are unaware there's a better way. If you're not interested in learning more about natural pet care from the world's best doctors, skip this video. But if you want to know how to join a once-in-a-lifetime educational experience, check out this offer. As a member of my community, I know you love your pet. Pets are what connect us. We all wish our fur kids could live forever. I want to make it as easy as possible for you to feel empowered to advocate for the vibrant life your pet deserves. If you're interested in learning more about advancements in probiotics, irritable bowel disease, achieving lasting ear health without antibiotics or steroids, nutrition for pet cancer, herbs for pet cancer, addressing the adrenal glands with diet, herbs, and supplements, then you should sign up today to join the International Naturally Healthy Pets Experience, either in person or virtually. A general admission ticket normally sells for $249, and a virtual ticket is $99. But I am now offering a 15% discount on any ticket type to part of my community using the code EXPERIENCE15. You pick the option that works best for you. Whether in person or online, you will leave the experience feeling confident that you're giving your pet the vibrant life they deserve. Learn from veterinary experts from around the world at the International Naturally Healthy Pets Experience by All Provide in Orlando, Florida, or from the comfort of home. Enjoy 15% off using code EXPERIENCE15 today. Get your ticket, save money, and join us. Don't miss out on this pet lover's dream.